Okay guys, I figured out a way to do edges first in about 4.5 minutes. That's my best time so far. Normally I have an 8-minute time, but doing it in 4.5 minutes is awesome. I am going to show you guys how I did it, and process by process, step by step. I guess it's good enough. It drives me nuts. But anyways, okay. First, you have to get the edges. So, orange, and green. See? What color is that? Blue. Okay, so there it is. And red. See, they're all in the right spots. Now, the way to do it quicker, I don't really have time to show you the exact steps on how to do it, but it's almost like layer by layer or side by side. First, we have the white. We're going to work on the green since there's a green right here. We sort of do this layer by layer with the edges. See? There's another green right there, which will come right here, but we will do that later. Here's the other green, which we will be moving here to there, which will bring that in the correct spot right there. And then you turn it around. You're only moving these two pieces. That's what I'm doing. And see? Now we got white and green. Now let's move that piece right there. Okay. So we got white and green. Now let's work on orange. Oh, that's in the correct spot, but it needs to be flipped. So we will move it here, to there, to there. So let's do it this way. Okay, so here's the other one, but that goes there. So let's move that. So now we have white, green, and orange. So let's work on blue. This blue goes here, but this goes over here, so it's okay to move it here and then move it up. And look, we also got red now too. It all lines in together. Now we need to move the blue the red blue to right here, which moves this to right here in the right spot. Now, the only thing to solve are these two pieces. By the way, each turn in the algorithm is 13, just to let you know. Now it's time for the corners. So, well, everybody knows how to do corners. I'm just getting all the blues together. That's what I'm doing right now. I know, I work weird. Okay, so we got one color match right here. These three are out of their places. Are they? Yeah, they're out of their places. That's a red. It's kind of hard to see. But that's in its right spot. So, we're going to do the moves again. And then one more time. Now let's flip it over. That's in its right spot. But these other ones aren't. So let's do the same. Okay, one more time. Now, I hate this. Okay. We can turn these ones over to make it all blue, except for that one. So 13 moves for that one too. So now you only have these two. The way I like to do it is lucky number 7. And there you go. See, that one stayed, and then this one turned over, and this one turned over. So now, we can finish it. And there we go. Our cube is complete. Thank you for watching, and I will write out the algorithms and everything for you and try to teach you guys in later videos. But right now, thank you for watching, and I hope you actually learned how to do edges first.